Hello students, today we will be demonstrating the steps to create a WC Online account, which is useful to schedule testing appointments with the Center for Student Success. So first of all, make sure you're on the correct network. That's going to be the QU Wi-Fi, not the QU Guest or the QU Gaming. And make sure you type www.queens.edu/tutoring. Once you go there, if you are not registered for an account, that will make you log into your account, and then you will be able to see this website. So there you will click you're a student and you will create your account, complete the prompts like name, language, student ID, user type, which would be student, if you're a student athlete or not, your team or sport, and then you will just register. After that, you will need to log in and make sure you're selecting the schedule that you need. In the Center for Student Success announcements, you're going to see the schedule and the announcements, but you should go into the corresponding semester and the accessibility schedule to schedule your test. For example, for the purposes of this video, we're going to be using Fall 25 accessibility schedule. So you're going to log in and you will see this dashboard. Here you'll see important announcements, and here you'll be able to see that in the drop-down menu, any corresponding calendar and schedule for tests or for tutoring or for any other things. So, as you can see here, you need to schedule 3 days ahead of time. Otherwise, we can't guarantee that we can accommodate you. 7 to 8:30 a.m. times are only for nursing students, so all other students must schedule their exams at the usual time of their class, and make sure you're always booking at the same time that your class is taking your test, unless you have specific permission from your instructor to take it at a different time. So once you select, for example, you go here to next week, or you can even select the date you want to display. Let's say I want to book for September 8th. So you will just click any box here, depending on the time you need. There's really no difference if you select testing room A or testing room O. We will be assigning you to a room depending both on our availability and your accommodation. So once you click, for example, if my test is at 10 a.m., this will pop up. Just make sure your email is here. You only really need to book like a 30-minute slot, as we will be accommodating those rooms. But if you do know how much time you need, you can definitely select that. Then here, you're just going to answer the details of your class. So QEN 101, your professor last name, the exam time. For example, you have a quiz, and this is if it's another one, for example. If it's quiz 1, 2, 3, 4, and here you will be checking everything that applies for you. So if I need a time and a half, I need a timer, and let's say I need distraction resist environment and a calculator. If you need any other thing, you can just click it here. If you can bring your own computer to do the test, if it's computerized, or if you need to borrow one from us, you can just say yes or no. And here you'll just type your number. This is just so you get notification if we need to contact you. You will not see this red box here, and you will just click create appointment. And once you do that, your appointment will be confirmed. You will probably get an email with that confirmation. If you do need to reschedule it, you should be able to do that with the email to just change the time. But if you do need to change either the time or the whatever other thing comes up and you cannot do it, you can always email us at sastesting@queens.edu, or you can come to us. We are located in Knight Crane Hall 102. So just make sure to show up at the time and date of your appointment for that, and that should be it. Thank you so much, and please, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us.